Huh?
Would anyone know where I could find a dog named Bodi?
Huh? What?
He came from the sky.
I have an offer he can't refuse.
We refuse.
But Dad, this is my big chance.
You'll get other chances.
Not like this, love.
Dad, Lang is a big sheep in the music business, and he flew here just to meet me.
How did you even hear about my son's band?
Darling, it's what I do. I keep my ear on the rails to hear on-rushing crazy trains waiting to discover new talent, babe. It's time to take control. Hey, come on now, babe.
My name's Kampa. Not love, not darling, and definitely not babe. It's Kampa.
Of course, Kampa. I'm just not good with names, but I'm a big fan of your son's music, and I want him to spread his wings and fly.
I want to fly, Dad.
I don't know. I've heard about these music industry types. They promise you the moon and the stars, but the world doesn't work that way, Bodi. You have to work for things, son. It's a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll.
Oh, Dad.
Oh, he will work for it, love. Lee Kampa. My offer is this. I want Bodi and True Blue to open for Lil Foxy.
The Lil Foxy?
Who?
You know I'm iconoclastic. My beats they make you dance, party to the AM. I'm drastic, bombastic. You know my music so classic. Celebrity, a place to be. Everybody wants to be me. Celebrity.
Okay, so she's pretty good.
Oh, let the boy have his dream, Kampa.
I'm all for Bodi living his dream, Mom. Just being a little cautious.
Dad, this is all I've ever wanted, to share my music with the world.
I know, but it's happening too fast.
Life happens when you're waiting for things to happen.
Just who are you?
Me? Oh, just a simple sheep from the meadow with rock and roll dreams. Trust me, Kampa. I'm going to care for Bodi as if he was my own pup.
You mean lamb?
Yes, lamb. You like your guitar, Bodi?
I love my guitar. It's a one-of-a-kind Scattergaster. Angus Scattergood gave it to me.
I thought I recognized it. Angus and I are dear friends from his pub days. Can I see it?
It sings for me.
I'm sure it does. But how would you like your own custom guitar? The Shredcaster!
Whoa.
It even has your name on it.
Wow, this is awesome.
Go ahead. Play.
There's something about that sheep that doesn't add up.
Can I go on tour? You can trust me.
I do trust you, Bodi. It's the rest of the world I don't trust.
Hey, guys! He said yes! We're going on tour! We're going on tour! Yes!